Today, Shiba Inu is blazing. The price has recovered. Signals are being dropped by analysts. The Shiba Inu community recently received a huge bombshell from Donald Trump. Suddenly, the mood became aggressive. The CEO of Coinbase recently made a significant crypto hint. 18 trillion is no laughing matter. What's going on? Furthermore, how will this all make sense? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Everyone was taken aback by Shiba Inu's sudden reappearance today. It had a difficult period only yesterday, when its value plummeted and experts hinted that we would be seeing yet another decline to a lower level. When the market was in disarray, Shiba Inu managed to hold its ground like a champion for a time, remaining stable at what many believed to be its bottom. Okay, here is where the selling ends and the purchasing starts, many were saying. However, it turns out that there was a trapdoor on that level. Analysts claim that Shiba Inu plunged 5% in a single day, falling below its supposedly safe range. That line of defense. It has now become a barrier that the token finds difficult to overcome. The next protection zone, which is just underneath where it has been bouncing about, is being watched by analysts. Another level of support is waiting for it if it drops any lower. The coins formerly employed a kind of safety net to halt their sliding. Shiba Inu seemed to have recovered from all of this at last. Everyone was caught off surprise as the coin fought its way back up after the rocky plunge and all that tension. The neighborhood is now breathing a cautious sigh of relief after holding its breath just yesterday. Shiba Inu seemed to have brushed off the storm, picked themselves up, and decided that today was not the right day. But you're undoubtedly asking, what's happening? What caused the price to recover so quickly? As it happens, a significant event occurred today. A huge bombshell revealed by Donald Trump sent the whole cryptocurrency industry into a frenzy. Everyone becomes excited and frantically tries to figure out what's going to happen after such an announcement. Shiba Inu is enjoying the enthusiasm as everyone's eyes are now on the market. He just made a significant announcement. An executive order aimed at accelerating the development of cryptocurrencies. In essence, Trump is causing a significant upheaval. He is assembling a group to draft new cryptocurrency regulations and possibly consider establishing a national digital asset reserve. It seems that he is fulfilling his campaign pledge to position the United States as a leader in digital innovation. The ruling clarifies that banks are no longer able to deny services to cryptocurrency startups, which is something that the industry has been pleading for. Additionally, it forbids the development of a digital currency supported by the U.S. government, which some were concerned may rival already existing ones like Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. Here's a large one too. A provision that made it very costly for businesses to keep cryptocurrency assets for others was recently repealed by the SEC. Businesses may find it much simpler to use digital currencies as a result of this shift. Compared to the Biden administration, which took a tough stance on cryptocurrency startups, this is a significant change. The major goals of Trump's action are to maintain the U.S. at the forefront of the digital industry and to mainstream cryptocurrency. As enthusiasm grows, the cryptocurrency market is already responding, with prices rising. The industry as a whole seems to have been given permission to dream large. This is big, and the whole crypto world is excited right now. Is this the time we've all been anticipating for? That's the major question everyone is asking. Could this be the spark that ignites the long-awaited dream bull run for Shiba Inu? You have to ask yourself, was this what Trump meant when he hinted at a golden age? In any event, this is revolutionary, the type of news that has the potential to upend the cryptocurrency industry and change the way the U.S. views digital assets. There's no denying that this is enormous. Everyone is watching to see what happens next, whether it's the beginning of something monumental or simply another chapter in the crazy journey that is cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is one among the cryptocurrencies that began to soar in value immediately after Trump's pronouncement. Right now, it's all over social media. after Trump signed the executive order to establish this presidential working group on digital currency markets. One Twitter user even noted how cryptocurrency prices are rising. In essence, this is causing the whole cryptocurrency market to catch fire. As they speculate about what this may portend for the future, investors are becoming excited. After all the crackdowns, Trump's desire for laws that really benefit the cryptocurrency industry is a welcome change. The markets are reacting strongly to this statement, which is boosting confidence. For cryptocurrency enthusiasts worldwide, it's a thrilling and crazy time, but that's not all. The effect was also felt by Bitcoin, which rocketed back up to the 105,000 level. This is where things get really crazy, however. Recently, Bitcoin ETFs have been booming. They have received inflows of about $4 billion over the last 6 days, and trade volumes have surpassed all previous records. It's one of the wildest runs analysts have ever witnessed, they say. Consider it. Billion within 6 days. It's not a little change. More than $1 billion poured into these ETFs on a few days, such as January 17. For the first moment since March of last year, these ETFs had a single-day volume of over $10 billion on January 23. Even experts in the field are in awe. Nate Gerasi, a prominent figure in the ETF industry, described the figures as absurd. It seems as if the enthusiasm surrounding Trump's statement is causing a huge surge in interest and investment in Bitcoin and its exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The market as a whole seems to be in overdrive right now. The actual jaw-dropper is right here. The CEO of Coinbase recently forecast that Bitcoin might exceed gold and reach an incredible market value of $18 trillion. The theory is that Bitcoin may surpass gold as the most valuable financial asset, he said. The current market capitalization of Bitcoin is around $2 trillion, or only 11% of the value of gold. However, it has a feature that gold does not. Because of its digital nature, decentralization, and scarcity, Bitcoin is much simpler to utilize. It is ideal for our digital age, portable, and divisible. The overarching concept. Bitcoin has the potential to become a reserve asset for whole nations, not simply for individuals or businesses. The establishment of a strategic Bitcoin reserve by the United States might potentially propel Bitcoin into the forefront of international banking by sending a powerful signal to other countries. This might fundamentally alter the laws of money over the course of the next 5 to 10 years and raise the value of Bitcoin to unthinkable heights. How does this relate to Shiba Inu, then? Well, the remainder of the cryptocurrency market is always affected by the enthusiasm and energy that emanate from Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is establishing itself as a community-driven powerhouse, even if Bitcoin is on its way to becoming the digital equivalent of gold. Shiba Inu may benefit from the surge in the cryptocurrency market as people search for the next great thing in this rapidly expanding digital age. The weird part comes next. That hype may already be manifesting itself. Investors have seized around 8 trillion Shiba Inu coins this year, demonstrating the breed's significant popularity. Yes, you did hear that. It's crazy that the people driving the movement are mid-sized investors, those who own a respectable amount but not enormous whale levels. These mid-sized players are piling Shiba Inu like crazy, while whale and retail positions have somewhat decreased. Since the beginning of the year, their stock has increased significantly, and they now possess more than 15% of the total supply of Shiba Inu. This coincides with Shiba Inu's recent decline below a crucial price level that was formerly a reliable source of support. The coin maintained its footing at first, but then fell as a result of wider market volatility. However, rather than panicking, these mid-sized traders demonstrated their trust in the future of the token by seeing this as a fantastic chance to buy additional Shiba Inu. Everyone seems to be subtly preparing for something significant. The Shiba Inu community is upset about this. Utterly humming. The mood has completely changed to one of optimism. Everyone has lofty goals, and the most often asked question is how much should one would need to become a billionaire when it really takes off. Analysts estimate that 1.38 billion Shiba Inu coins would be required to surpass the $1 million milestone if the value of Shiba Inu were to reach a mere 72 hundredths of a cent. That would cost you around $28,000 right now. That price objective might cause your investment to increase by 35 times. Crazy, huh? The good news is that it isn't impossible. Shiba Inu have previously performed in wild rallies. When is the actual question? According to experts, Shiba Inu may achieve that price by 2032, but with the correct incentives, it may happen sooner. The enormous supply of Shiba Inu, which is still in the hundreds of billions, is a significant obstacle. A significant amount of Shiba Inu's supply was burnt by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin back in 2021, which contributed to the cryptocurrency's amazing surge. That ideal aim may not be as far off as it appears if the Shiba Inu team organizes another significant burn event. As of right now, the community is energized, calculations are being made, and it seems like everyone is preparing for a moment that may decide the future of Shiba Inu. One thing jumps out from all we've discussed. Even though the future is uncertain, Shiba Inu are unquestionably moving forward. Its committed developers are laying the groundwork for great things by constantly pushing the envelope with new initiatives and inventions. Not to be overlooked is the Shiba Inu community's strength. In the crypto realm, this is one of the most ardent and devoted communities. They are believers, not only holders, sustaining and advancing the token consistently, regardless of how erratic the market becomes. Shiba Inu is unique because of its unrelenting growth and strong sense of community. In terms of effect and development, Shiba Inu are undoubtedly moving up, regardless of what happens next. The adventure has only just begun. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.